Well, the garage is starting to get a little full. It's kind of like Christmas in here. Better get my butt to work and get this stuff installed. It's gonna be an awesome summer. So we got the new bumper on a couple days ago. Today we're gonna start working on the winch. So this is a Smittybilt 9,500, oh no, 10,000 pound winch. It's got a synthetic cable and it's got a wireless remote. Let's unbox this. Nice. Okay. Okay, we got instructions. We have the wired remote, very nice. Mounting hardware. Grounding and battery cables. Alright, there's the synthetic line. Very nice. Here's the battery cable. Good. Control unit. And the spool. Cool. Let's get to work. So before we go throwing it on to the bumper, I'm going to put the control module and mount it onto the actual winch. Okay. There is a way to mount it off to the side if you take off the silver brackets. I don't want to do that. I'm going to have it mounted right in the middle. First thing you're going to want to do is take a 6mm Allen key and just loosen these 4 Allen key bolts on these 2 bars here. Once you've done that, you can move them around and you can adjust it so it goes on much easier. Okay. So after you get the control box mounted on there, flip it around. Time to attach the wiring. It's fairly simple. They're all labeled A, B, C, D. A goes to A, B to B, C to C, D to D, and they're color coded. So just attach them. The hard part's trying to figure out which way to route the wires. They don't really loop around this way because then these terminals get blocked. So looks like we're gonna have to do it this way. We'll see how it looks when it's installed. Okay, control box is mounted, wiring's done. Okay, I almost forgot about the negative battery terminal cable, which also goes on to A as well. Loosen that off. Okay, so there are 2 little nuts that I just found in the bag of hardware. So small I almost didn't see them. That go on the back of these ones here. Let's get those all tightened up. Alright, so it comes with this aluminum protector for the synthetic rope or cable. Don't use rollers with the cable. You want to be using a piece just like this. Alright, let's bolt this in place. Okay, proper stack up. Got your bolt, washer. Nice. Lock washer. Then the nut. Cool. Just have this little nut. It's going to slip in the frame of it. So if you have like a little dental pick, that makes it nice and easy to line up the little sliding nut in there. Okay, with the Smittybilt Stinger bumper here, we got the, you can get at these bolts from the side. One more. Okay, well, it's bolted onto the bumper now. I'm not sure how much I caught because the camera died. But what I like to do is I put in the 4 bolts, and then when I torque them down, I start with one, then I cross, come back, cross again, kind of like a star pattern when you're doing when you're putting on a tire. So it's got a good even torque all the way around. Now we're going to start wiring. Plenty of cable. I was kind of worried when I first saw it, but there's plenty of cable to reach the batteries. Even if you just have the regular stock batteries set up, it should reach just fine. I'll be hooking this up to the Genesis dual battery kit. Right in there. with this kit, with something big like this, like a winch, you're not going to just hook it onto your accessory battery. You're going to actually hook it onto your main posts, right onto the main nut on top. Okay. There we go. Sweet. All right. Well, let's get that rope on there. Okay, pretty easy really to attach the synthetic cable. Make sure you go through here first. I'm going to turn that a bit. Bolt through there and into the hole. All right. Well, that's how it's going to be until my shackles come in. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Not that hard to install actually. Just had to fiddle around with some little bolts there in the beginning, but once that was done, went together pretty quick and easy. Thanks for watching. Going to be in the future going to be doing a snorkel, rear overlanding bumper. What else we got in here? Snorkel, bumper, gonna finish the air system. Yeah, so stay tuned.